pot roast pork. Here I am preparing my seasoning. So I have onion, scallion, garlic, and the carrot. Bear in mind the carrot is optional. I just use it because I love using carrot and I love the color. If you want your pot roast pork to be on the spicier side, don't be afraid to add your Scotch bonnet pepper, your thyme, and the seasoning that you love. After washing the meat properly, we are now going to stuff it with our onion, garlic, and whatever seasoning that you want to stuff it with. Once you have done that on both sides, you can now add your blended seasoning. And for the last part, we're just going to add some powder seasoning. So I have here with me the complete, some black pepper, and a little jerk seasoning. So you can add this type of seasoning that you have and that you want to add on this. Now that our pork is seasoned, all we need to do is leave this to marinate either overnight, or you can do this for 1 to 3 hours. It depends on the time that you have. So I left this for about 3 hours. And I am ready to put this in my pot. But before I do that, I just want to get the excess water off the pork. So I'm just going to change the container so I won't have too much water on it. We're now going to add a little oil to the pot, and this needs to be heated properly. So once this is heated properly, you can see the steam coming out of the pot. We're just going to add our pork. So this is a very easy recipe to do. It just needs a little attention. So you have to turn it on both sides so it can be properly cooked. Now that both sides have this beautiful color, I am now going to add a little water, and I'm just going to leave this to boil. As I have mentioned before, this needs a little attention, so please remember to turn it, and whenever the water dries out, add a little more water, and this you have to do this until it is finished. So just repeat this until the pork is cooked. This recipe took about 50 minutes to 1 hour on high heat. This is almost done and it looks so delicious. It tasted really good, and yes. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Until next time, bye.